Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to understand the strategies shared in my videos, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? These are the assets I will be checking out, and of course everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5 minute time frame, and of course the market had been on uptrend for a very long time. Okay, we can see that right from that support zone, and of course it has got into this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's making an attempt on a downtrend, so we should expect it to sell more. Okay, but we need it to break out from here guys. We need it to break out from here. This is very important. Okay, once it breaks out from there, then definitely it's going to sell more, so we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. Boom 500 started an uptrend right from this support zone, and of course it's been going up. Okay, so it got to this resistance, so it's unable to break out above that, so it started a downtrend right from there. That is why we are seeing this red flag, and of course it gave us a sell signal around there, so it's been selling since then. We just needed to break out from this support zone, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. It went on uptrend, was unable to break out from the resistance zone, which is around here, and of course it started a downtrend right from there, so it started selling, so till it got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's buying at the moment, trying to pull back to see if it can break out above this resistance, and if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it will go back on downtrend and try out this support zone, but for now it is still buying. Okay, this might not be for a very long time, but it is still buying. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so now let's check out the next asset. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 started out, it started an uptrend, and of course got to this region, pull back, went back up to break out above this resistance zone, and of course it is still buying at the moment, even though it is at this resistance zone. Okay, if it's unable to break out from there, it will go back on downtrend, but if it breaks out from there, to keep on buying, but for now it is still buying. This might not be for a very long time. Okay, we should take note of that. This might not be for a very long time. Okay, if it's unable to break out from there, it will go back into a downtrend. Okay, so this is very important. So the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, gave us a downtrend signal around there, and of course a sell signal around there, and it's been selling since then. Got to this support zone, it has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back into an uptrend right now. It has given us a buy signal, and of course trying to show up with an uptrend signal. Okay, if it's break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should take note of that. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All we just need to do is just for us to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever we are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies very well before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.